have seen tremendous development, especially of the Shenyang city. I've also seen the development of our people in our plants. I'm always very excited when I come and visit our Shenyang plant. Michelin has been present in the province of Liaoning for the past 30 years. We had an old plant in the city center of Shenyang that we have moved into a more suitable place, and it's one of the Michelin largest plants in the world, and it's a very performing. And so we are continuing our investment in that plant. That is a green plant and also a tech plant, because it is leading many other plants in terms of digital development.